But time ran fast and now at last you're strong. Now what is that over you? And you seem to hate what your parents do. And stick out your minds, why do you find them wrong? I don't know what's gonna
at ang una mong nilapitan, yung inamulong, at ang tanong na lang, ganag-ganag niya.
I don't know, you'll never know how far they move like and to see you through and to say through and to die for you. If they must to see you live, no one see it.
Mundo ito, naging gawa ng magulang, at ang kamay nila, ilang-ilaw. Lang nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ang gagawin, pinamasdan, di magtulungan.
Child, you don't know, you'll never know. I'm only going to give you all the love I give. To see you through and to say you and to die for you. If they must to see you live. Charlie, your mom is gonna stray. Charlie, your mom is gonna stray. And Charlie wouldn't know what to do or say. And you're so alone, no friends are on your side. And Charlie should now break down in tears and let mom and dad come away your fears. And where must you go? Then I'll stay up and worry.
Sa mundo ito, naging gawa ng magulang, at ang kamay nila, ang iyong ilaw. Yung nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ang gagawin, pinamasdan ang ibang tulong mo. Biglang nakuha nang di mo napapansin.
Nangisilang ka sa sinilangan mo, laking tuwa ng matuwain, at ang kamay nila ay nagkamayan. Tanginang, ang nanay at tatay mo, sila ang mga magulang mo, minamasdan kanilang tinitingnan. Sa gabi napupuyat ang mga taong hindi natutulog. Sa umaga na may kalong ka ng iyong amang, asawa ng iyong inang. Siyempre,